Today I'm going to be trying on and reviewing the lash DIY lash clusters from Amazon. This one is from Fini Dreamy. They're 12 millimeters. We have 4 rows of 12 millimeters lashes. For the lash bond, I'm going to be using the Kiss Falscara. It's on one side, it's the lash glue, lash bond, and the other one is the seal. Without rambling too much, let's get into the application. I'm going to start with the bond. It's the pink side, and I'm going to apply one coat all over my lashes. Now these lashes we are going to apply underneath our own lashes, not on top as we're used to, okay? Sometimes I like to lift the lash a little bit and place them underneath, just like this. Alright. Then I'm going to press them together with my own. I feel like the one in the inner corner was like too long, so I cut them in half and put, you know, a little smaller amount in the inner corner just to make sure that it's not going to bother me in the long run, because I'm planning on keeping them for as long as they last. They definitely look like lash extensions like you've done them in the salon. Also, they are extremely curly, so it looks like you had a little lash lift. Absolutely gorgeous. They're like intense. It's a intense black, so they look really pretty. Once we are done with our bond, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the seal, which is this blue kind of teal side. Now the seal is overall, I don't think it's like very tacky or anything, but just in case, I'm going to apply the seal just to get rid of any tackiness if it persists. So I'm just gonna add it like right here at the kind of at the bottom, just to make sure that we don't have any tackiness left. Alright guys, this is the final result. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I really like them. They're definitely very curly. I'm not used to that, but they do look very nice. The more I'm getting used to it, the more I like it. I think they're super easy to do them at home, and they do look like you just got out of a salon and, you know, did them. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys like this style. With this bond in particularly, the longest I had them on was for 5 days. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any other bond like lash glue that maybe lasts longer. I would love to try and test it out and see how it works. I would love to have them more than like few days, you know. Now that I'm a mom, I really don't have time to kind of get all dolled up, and having the lashes done kind of help, you know, and keeps your look a little more refreshed, even though I got a lot of sleepless nights, as you can tell by my bags. But anyway, my thoughts on these lashes, they're definitely very pretty. If you like decurl, they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that the lash band is clear, so they're practically undetectable. Like if you're gonna look, they look like you just got out of the salon. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!